MelodySusie.com, discount code provided in description. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on this new LED lamp from MelodySusie. You could see the boxing is done pretty nicely. I am very happy with the way it's packaged. On the box you also have the information of the lamp and their website as well. So let's start unpacking. So first we're going to start with the little instructions that it came with. I'm attaching some pictures of all the sides and pages if you guys are interested on actually reading it and seeing if this is something for you prior to purchasing this item. There's really nothing crazy about the instruction, just a regular instructions for our LED lamp. Okay, so it does feel nice to the touch. It's rounded and it's not an oversized LED lamp, which makes it a little bit easier on the use and the space on your decks. Especially like mine, I have limited space and I don't have an actual nail desk that I can have little drawers that I put the lamps inside. Now the cord, once I unscrew this thing, you'll see it's a little bit longer, and it's definitely longer than the one that I have right now, and it's really good because my LED lamp used to be dangling somehow in the air, or I used to have to put something underneath to be able to connect it to the outlet. So this is a big plus. So let's see how this works. Okay, so once plugged in, the LED lamp turns on automatically and is automatically set to 15 seconds. Now 15 seconds I usually use for hand drawn designs or little lights, lines that needs to be quick cure and reapplied. It is an automatic LED lamp that when you put in your hand inside, it automatically starts. When you take it out, it stops and it goes back to the setting that you had it on. You could just touch the timers to switch for the timers. If you press it twice, it automatically goes on. If you just press it once to switch from 60 to 90 seconds, it does not go on till you put your hand inside. But if you're switching, let's say from 15 seconds to 30, you press once the 30 seconds and you put your hand inside, automatically starts. If you're switching from 15 to 30, you press once 30 seconds, you press it again, and the lamp will start without the automatic start. So keep on watching. I'm going to be playing with it for a little bit. The lamp is very comfortable. It's not overheating me, so I don't feel hot inside. Some lamps will give you that burning sensation, and your clients are not happy with that whatsoever, especially when you're doing gel nails. So now it is opened in the back, and that's one of the maybe negatives that I have about, because my lamp is directly placed on a nail desk. I have to make sure that I don't have any type of gel curing products in the back of the lamp, because that lamp in the back will affect your product. So just make a mental note that when you do use this lamp, don't have any curing products laying in the back of the nail lamp, because the light does come out from the back. Now the top of the lamp does come out, which is absolutely amazing. My old lamp that I've been using for about maybe 2 years now has the same thing, but it's very hard to take it off. These little things are all magnetic. It's very easy to put it back on and take it off. And this is actually a very good item when you can't take the top off, especially when you're doing nail gel polish pedicures. It's nice to just put it on top of the customer's feet, so this way they don't destroy the nail polish you just put on while sliding it into the nail lamp. Now the bottom of the lamp also has specifically designed uh, placements for your fingers. This is for your right one with the thumb, and this one is for your left hand with your thumb. Now it is very important that when you use this lamp, you do have to make sure that you have the placement of your fingers done properly. Otherwise, it might not cure properly, especially your thumb area. It is very comfortable though, and you don't really have to worry about much of the placement, as your hand just basically just goes in there automatically, and you just go into those little placements. As you may see, the thumb area is being cured, the top is being cured. So it's pretty good that you can just do the whole hand at the same time, and you don't have to do the thumb separately, as a lot of lamps do not have that curing option for the thumb.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before
Now with the back of the lamp being open, you have to be careful because your customers, you may slip your hands through it. So it's a possibility, it can happen. Like me, I'm prone to little incidents. I can walk into a wall and things like that. So I can definitely see myself putting my hand inside the lamp and going right through that opening in the back. Now I'm going to do a tryout on the gel polish. I'm going to do it on black, red, and some glitter gel nail polish from Madame Glam to see how it cures. Usually it's Madame Glam says 30 seconds. I never in my life that I cure anything for 30 seconds. I always do it for 60 seconds. It's you're 100% sure that it's cured properly, and you don't have to redo the nail if it does not cure properly in 30 seconds. So the 30 seconds timer on any LED lamps, it's really non-existent for me. I always do 60 seconds and 15 seconds for any line designs that I need to cure quickly to reapply it under another line, because it's such a thin coat of gel polish. So 30 seconds and 90 seconds I hardly ever use. 60 seconds, way to go. So keep on watching and let's see what happens.
there's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here.
So you see I am curing it for 30 seconds, and let's see if it's actually going to cure properly in 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna check with my wooden stick to see if it was cured properly in 30 seconds. There is one side right there that it was not cured and it's still soft to touch. So I am gonna cure this again for another 30 seconds to make it all 60. The red one cured properly. There is some residue when I touch it with the wooden stick, but there will always be residue from a gel polish wasn't cured unless you wipe it off and apply gel top coat. So let's check the gel one. The gel one cured very nicely, but there's really not much to cure because it doesn't have that pigment in it except a little bit glitter inside. So I'm going to cure it again for another 30 seconds to make sure everything is cured properly. Like I did say before, I do cure all of my gel nail polishes for 60 seconds. So after another 30 seconds, it has been cured and it's perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I'm wiping the sticky residue off. I did not apply top coat yet. And of course, there's a little bit that comes off. If you wipe your cured gel polish without the top coat applied, you will always have a little bit of residue coming off, especially from the red ones, which you'll see in a second. Now, I know I don't do it, and I know all of you don't do it. We do not wipe the sticky residue off. We basically cure and apply gel top coat. There is no residue, so this, don't be concerned. I don't know even why I did that. But I did wanted to make sure that it is cured properly. With wiping it, I was able to see if there's any pieces or pieces of the gel polish actually coming off. So now the final step, apply your top coat, cure it, and wipe the sticky residue off. I always use the no wipe top coat. They easier, they very shiny, and I don't have to worry about wiping anything. I just have to make sure I apply it properly and throughout the whole nail tip.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. I wish that you were here to give me everything I want, but I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. I wish that you were here. There's not a single day that passes.
Okay, so the LED lamp from MelodySusie works amazing. I love it. I'm actually gonna get myself another one. As you all know, one lamp at your desk, it's just not enough, especially when you do clients. You can go on to MelodySusie.com. I will also put a link on the bottom of the description of the video with a discount code for all of you, my viewers, so you could save some money on this lamp. I do really like this lamp. It's small, it's very comfortable to use. My favorite thing about it is actually those specific finger placements and the thumb cure that they have in the lamp, that you could actually cure the whole hand. And another thing is that you could take the top off and cure gel polish if you're doing a pedicure with gel polish. This attachable thing is magnetic, so it comes off, comes back on very easily. So again, it's MelodySusie.com. In the description, I will provide you guys with a link and a discount code for any one of you that is interested. I do highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. I love all of your support, comments as always. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.